morning everyone. Today we are going to discuss about the calculation of the acceleration due to gravity. We can say acceleration due to gravity as small g, and in other part by this equation we will understand the relation between g and g. G and g means capital G and small g. What is the relation between both? Where capital G is gravitational constant as well as small g is acceleration due to gravity. Now how we can understand? Firstly we will just discuss. First we will consider some things. Suppose if we drop a body of mass m from a distance r from the center of the earth. Now suppose this is earth. This is center of the earth. We dropped a body from here. The mass of the body is small m, and mass of the earth is capital M. In such situation we can say the distance between that body and the center of the earth is capital R. Understood? The mass, here I have mentioned mass of the body small m. The distance from the center of the earth is capital R, and mass of the earth capital M. Now the force exerted by the earth will be F, and one constant will work. This is known as gravitational constant, will be represented by capital G. So on the basis of all such things we will just simply use some formulas. Universal law of gravitation already we have done. F is directly proportional to m1 m2 upon r square. Have you remember it? When proportionality sign will remove, this will come is equal to as well as capital G. So we can say in such situation we will be able to get this formula. So this we considered as equation number 1. F is equal to G mm upon r square. Mm means capital M, m1 mass of the earth, small m mass of the body, r square the distance between body and the center of the earth. So that this is r we found. Now second equation, as we already know, this is a simple, this force exerted by the earth produced acceleration. When acceleration will produce, mass of the body is m, so we will get the force exerted will be F is equal to ma. Newton's law, second law. So F is equal to ma. One more thing, if we are considering it in the straight line, linear momentum, then A, if it will move to the vertical one, then this A will be converted into G. This is acceleration due to gravity, and here G will come. So this A or G we can accordingly we can use. So both the terms we got, one is equation 1 and one equation 2. Here this is also equal to F, this is also equal to F. So we can just keep both the equations equal, or we can just place the value of F from equation 2 in the equation 1. The value of F, whatever value of F is given in the equation 2, this value we will place in the equation 1 on this place. We did it. Now we got, on putting the value of F from equation 2 in the equation 1. Already it was F is equal to ma, mf was G m1 mm upon r square. Here instead of m we place mg or ma, whatever we like to just place. I already told you, if it is in linear will be F is equal to ma, and if it is in the place of G, means if vertically body is moving, then we can say G, because we already told a body is just from the somewhere on the top or from the center of earth. That is why we just consider it G. We place the value F is equal to mg. Simply you can just understand, when this is here, then small m will cancel with the small m, because both the m's are representing with the same, the mass of the body. Mm will be cancelled out. We got the answer G is equal to Gm upon r square. So this is the relation between G and G. If you will cross multiply, you will be able to get G r square is equal to Gm. Understood? So this is, now as we know, A will be equal to Gm upon r square. If we considered F is equal to mg, this will be G is equal to Gm upon r square. We want to know the value of this G. So in this equation, if we will place the value of G, what is the value of gravitational constant, what is the mass of the earth, what is the distance from the body of that body and the center of the earth. Now one more thing, suppose we can consider in such situation, suppose this is earth and this is r, this radius of the earth, re. In this situation, suppose body is lying 2 meters or 2 kilometers away from there. So this is too high that this minute distance can be just negligible. So that is why we just negligified this distance, and this r will be considered as the radius of the earth. Mass of the earth, radius of the earth. If you like to write, you can write down me and re. Mass of the earth, radius of the earth. After placing the values, what is the values? G is equal to 6.67 into 10 raised to the power minus 11 Newton meter square per kilogram square. M is equal to the mass of the earth, 6 raised into 10 raised to the power 24 kilogram. What is the radius of the earth? 6.4 into 10 raised to the power 6 meters. When we place all these three values in this formula, we will be able to get the value G is equal to 9.8 meter per second square. So this, with the help of this, we got the value of acceleration due to gravity, and in the other hand we got the relation between G and G also. Fine. Thank you very much.